Welcome everyone. In this session, I am going to discuss about the chapter number two. Okay, the book name is CodeBlox and Logix for class 8. From ICSE board. Okay, so start functions in a spreadsheet. So in this chapter, we have to learn about the Microsoft Excel. Okay, a spreadsheet. That means we will work on Microsoft Excel. We will work on with Excel formulas and functions. Okay, so let's start everyone. Formulas are used to perform basic calculations such as addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, and so on. So formulas. What is the formula? Formula is the combination of addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication and so on. Okay, so in by using formula we performs the arithmetic. Normally we can say formula is used to perform the arithmetic operation. Okay, it is an expression that can include operands, cell reference, range, or numbers, operators, and parentheses. So formula is an expression. Okay, what is expression? Expression means it is the combination of operator and operands. Okay. It can contain cell reference. Cell reference that means cell address, cell range, or numbers. Okay. And parenthesis also. So parenthesis according if you have studied board mass, then you can understand what is parenthesis. Parenthesis just nothing except round braces. Okay. So a formula must begin with equal to symbol followed by the cell reference and operators. So when you will apply any kind of formula on Excel, okay, you must have to put the equal symbol and then you can start to write your expression, okay, or formula. Like I am going to show you an example. Okay, MS Excel I am opening. Okay, I have opened. I have opened an Excel. Okay, increasing the size. Yeah. So suppose if you want to write 10 plus 3 plus like that, so you need to put equal symbol and then 10 plus 3 plus 8 into 4. So it is the expression. Okay, when I will press enter, it will calculate the value. Okay, you can see what is the expression inside here, inside this cell. So it is performing the calculation. Okay, now what is what was the sentence? A formula must begin with equal symbol. So if you want to apply any formula, then you should to put equal symbol. Without equal symbol you can't perform any expressions. Like without I am writing 8 plus 3 plus 3 8 plus 3 plus 1, so it will not perform any action. Okay, you can understand it has not performed any action. But if I will put here equal symbol at the starting of this cell, then it will perform the calculation. See, performed. So if you want to perform any apply any formula or function or action, sorry, function or expression, then you need to put equal symbol followed by the cell reference and operators. The operators, nothing except the mathematical operators like plus, minus, divide, mod, like that. Okay. Cell reference. What is cell reference? Cell reference is nothing except an address. Okay. Cell reference is nothing except an address of a cell. Okay. Cell reference. What is cell reference? Cell reference is just an address of a cell. Okay. An address of a cell. How? So suppose I want to add 45 and 12. Okay. So we will write with cell address, cell reference. So what will be the cell reference of 45? The cell reference is the address of a cell. That means it is the we need to get the address of 45. So the address of 45 will be first we need to write column name and then row name. So column name is A and row name is 1. For 12, column name is A and row name is 2. 2. So how we will write? I want to add 45 and 12. So I am going to add these two numbers by using cell reference. Okay. So for the cell reference of 45 is A1. You can see A1 has selected, plus A2. So you can see A2 has been already selected. Both cells has been selected. When I will press enter, the value will be calculated. Okay. So next, it may contain few or all below mentioned elements. So see what is the next. Reference, cell address or range of cells that you want to include in your calculation. What is the reference? Reference means cell address. Okay, or range of cells that you want to include in your calculation. Cell range I will discuss later. Okay, cell range I will discuss later. Operators, that is the symbols to a specify operation to be performed. Which kind of operation you want to perform? Okay, you can use that operator. Not mostly we use this operator, plus, minus, divide, multiply, like that. Constant just they are just numbers or text. Okay, constant, the numbers or text values that do not change. Suppose if you have written 10, then it will perform the operation on 10, not other number 11, 12, like that. Okay, if you have written like something mango, ram, sam, gopimon, then it will not be change your value. Okay, because of it, these are constants. Functions, predefined formulas in Excel. Functions are the predefined formulas in Excel. Okay, we will see how can we use the functions. Okay, so there is the element of formulas. Okay, I have already shown to you how to apply the formulas. Okay, so it is the formula I have applied here. So you can see plus, plus, multiply and minus. Just wait for a minute. Yeah. So here plus is the operator, multiply is the mathematical operator, and minus is the mathematical. These three are the mathematical operators. Here you can see E3 colon E5. E3 colon E5 is the range of cell. Okay, cell range. Okay, continuous cell range, it is known as also. And sum, after some keyword you can see parenthesis, that means round braces. So it is known as, sum is known as function. Okay, and then cell address, you are watching A2, B2, E3, E5, these are the cell address. Okay, or cell reference you can say. Next, constant. So all of the values are constant. Okay, so only one value is there, 5. So it is the constant. Equal symbol, we need to put to perform any formula or expression, we need to put equal symbol. Okay, next, entering a formula. So how to enter a formula? A formula can be entered either the formula bar in a cell for calculating values. Okay, so how to enter the formula? We can enter the formula either cell, okay, either cell or either formula bar. Where is the formula bar? You can see it is the formula bar. Okay, it is the formula bar. So if you want, you can put in a cell. If you want to put formula, then you can put the formula in a cell, or you can put the formula in formula bar. Okay, got it. So suppose I want to put the formula in cell B. Okay, so I can write equal symbol 2 plus 3. Normally I am displaying just as an example. Okay, so you can see 3, I have given the formula in cell B. Okay, B1. Now I want to give the formula in cell B2. I am using at this time in function bar. Okay, formula bar. So I am writing 5 plus 8. sorry, equals 5 plus 8. So you can see it is performing the action. Okay, so from this action you can put the formula by using your cell address, or by using inside your cell, or inside the formula bar. Okay, next the formula bar shows the formula while the result of typed formula is displayed in the cell. You can use basic or compound formulas and apply a formula in on the text as discussed below. So see, uh, you can see the formula. Okay, I have applied in cell A1, I have applied formula. So how can you see? You can see the formula of A1 from the formula bar. Okay, here it will display the formula which I have applied on cell A1. Okay, now cell A2, you can see here it is also displaying. Okay, next on cell A3, so everything is visible here. Okay, double clicking on the cell, you can also see your formula whatever you have applied. Okay, now next, entering a basic formula. A basic formula involves only one type of operator in it. Let us calculate some of the numbers cells. So, and press enter key. Okay, using entering a compound formula. Okay, come. So, basic formula. What is basic formula? The formula which contains only one type of operator. Like suppose I am writing 14, 13, 12, and 10. Okay, and I am displaying total. Okay, I am displaying total. For arranging purpose, I am creating table. Okay, so here I will display total. So I will give equal symbol, and then I will give the every address cell, every cell reference. So D1 plus D2 plus D3 plus D4. You can see every cell has been selected of column D. Okay, D1, D2, D3, and D4. Okay, so if, and then I am going to press enter, but before pressing the enter button, you can see I have used only plus operator, so it is known as basic formula. Okay, the formula which contains only single operator, only one type of operator, not single, only one type of operator, that is known as basic formula. Okay, so I have applied. The answer is 49. Okay, so if you wants to do more, like I am going to show you, I want to show my expenses for every weekly expenses. Okay, so like how much I have expended. I have done my expense on Sunday, Monday, like that. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, so here I am going to display my expenses, weekly expense. Okay, so every day how much expense I have done, I am writing like 25, 30, 50, 100, 120, 70, 35. Okay, and here weekly expense. Okay, so I want to show my weekly expense. What I have to do, I have to add all of the values. Okay, I need to add all of the values whatever I have given for every day. So what we have to do for to found the weekly expense, put the equal symbol, and then write the cell address. Okay, cell address or cell reference. So for 20, the value of 25, the address is B8. Okay, how I am telling to you, you can see 25 is coming inside the column B and 25 is coming at row row number 8. Okay, so that's why I am saying B8. If you want for 30, then B9. For 50, B10, like that. So I am applying the formula followed by the equal symbol. B8 plus B9 plus B10 plus B11 plus B12 plus B13, okay, plus B14 also. So you can see it is displaying 350. So it is my weekly expense 350. So you can make your own formula. You can apply your own basic formula also. Next, how to apply the compound formula. Okay, compound interest or simple interest you have studied. So how we can apply. So these types of formula, for applying these types of formula, you need to multiple operators like multiply, divide, addition, subtraction. Okay, so these kinds of formula known as compound formula. Okay, where is your book? Yeah. So here a compound formula is used when more than one operator is required to perform. So what is a compound formula? A compound formula when we applies uh, when we applies more than one operator in my function or in my formula. These types of formula known as compound formula. Okay, so for example, suppose I am giving principal, rate and time. Okay, so simple interest, I am applying table because of it will be visible clearly. I am giving principal as 12,000, rate 2, and then time 2. Okay, so we need to apply this compound formula. Okay, so we will put equals, and then you know what is the formula of, to find out the simple interest, principal, rate and time. Okay, principal into rate into time by 100. Okay, so what is principal? Principal address is E9. Okay, into rate E10 into time E11. Okay, so all cells has been selected. Divide by 100. Okay, divide by 100. So you can see it is displaying 480. Okay, but I am saying to you everyone, we should to follow with parenthesis like a board mass. Okay, everywhere we should to follow the board mass. Okay, now why we should to follow? Suppose, see what why I am saying to you follow the board mass. Suppose you wants to display 48 plus 30 plus 2 divide by 3, 2 divide by 3. Okay, so you wants to apply the formula. Wait, suppose you want to apply the formula 48 plus 30 plus 2 whole divide by 2. Okay, you have written which kind of formula you have written on your formula like this. Okay, equals 48 plus, sorry, plus 30 plus 2 divide by 100. Sorry, divide by 2. So what will be the answer? What will be the answer? Sorry, plus 2 divide by 2. Okay, so what will be the answer of this equation? The answer of this equation, first divide will be, then the answer will be like this: 48 plus 30 plus 1. Okay, now 48 plus 30, that is 78. 78 plus 1, that is 79. Okay, and second, if I will apply the BODMAS rule, then what we have to do, open the braces, 48 plus 30 plus 2, and then divide by 2. Okay, so what will be the answer? Equals 48 plus 30 plus 2. The answer will be 48 plus 2, 50, and then plus 30. That means 80 divided by 2. So our answer will be 40. So you can see in on both of the expressions, you can see the difference of values. Okay, here we are getting 79. Here we are getting 79. Okay, now, and here we are getting 79, and here we are getting 40. So both values are different. So that's why we need to follow the BODMAS rule. Okay, now, chaliye, next. Oh, you can see, yeah, you can see practically also. Okay, so like I am showing to you, equals 48 plus 30 plus 2 divide by 2. So you can see 49, 79, then 48 following by BODMAS rule, 48 plus 30 plus 2 close braces and divide by 2. So you can see both values are different in Excel also. So we should always follow the BODMAS rule. Okay, next. So you can understand, I hope you have understood how to use the compound formula. Okay, compound, what is the basic formula and compound formula? Basic formula, the formula which contains only one type of operator, that these types of formula known as basic formula, and the formula which contains more than one operator, okay, that these types of formula known as compound formula. Okay, applying formula on text. So there is many predefined formula on Excel. Okay, we will see, but not formula, functions. Okay, but currently we are applying the formula. We are working on formula. So applying formula on text, you can also perform addition on character and a string data type. A string, what is character and what is a string? Character is just a symbol, like alphabet. Character may be alphabet, character may be numbers, character may be an a special symbol. A string data type, a string means what? A string means it is the word. Okay, and the word may be a combination of characters, a word may be a combination of numbers, a word may be a combination of a special symbol. These types of value known as a string. Okay, except for addition, other operations like subtraction, multiplication, division are not allowed on the string data type. The ampersand symbol is used to perform addition. The addition of two or more text values is called concatenation. Let us understand this with the help of examples. Uh, applying formula on text. So how can we applying formula on text? Okay, so here I am writing um, sun, and here I am writing day. Okay, okay. So You can see I want to displace sun plus day, Sunday. So you can perform two by using two types of operator. First, give the equal symbol, then give the cell address, cell reference A17 plus B17. So you can see, sorry, not here you can't use the plus symbol because of plus is the arithmetic operator. You can use ampersand. Ampersand means and operator. Okay, and operator. So it will be concatenated Sunday. If you want to apply on Monday also, so what you have to do, equal symbol, Monday, the address of mon cell is A18 and then ampersand symbol, and after that they contains inside the B17. So you can see. Okay, so like this you can put for every cell. Okay, it has changed, we need to give B17. Okay, B17. Okay, so you can see all values has been concatenated, that means joined with B17 values. Okay, so you can apply the formula on text like this. By using ampersand operator, you can perform the concatenation. Concatenation, that means joining. Okay, joining one text to another, that is concatenation. Okay, so in the next session we will discuss about the cell range. Okay, cell range. Yeah, in the next session we will discuss about the cell range, and I will try to clear the cell reference also. Okay, so everyone, thank you. We will continue on next session. Thank you, everyone.